This video teaches you how to prevent people from seeing your photos on Facebook. Go to www.facebook.com in your preferred browser. This will lower your news feed if you are already logged into Facebook. Click your name. Your first name should be in the upper right side of the Facebook page. Click it to go to your profile. Click Photos to see a list of your photos. Click the Your Photos tab to view a list of all your photos. Click the photo you want to hide. The photo opens in its own pop-up window. Click Edit to view editing options is the upper right side of the Facebook page. Click the Edit Post Audience button. Click Only Me to hide the photo from all of Facebook. If you do not have that option, then the photo is part of one of your albums. Click Edit Album Privacy instead. Click the Privacy drop-down menu from the pop-up box. Click Only Me and click Save. Click Done Editing to finish hiding the photo. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.